Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno5 and today I'll show you how you can change your always on display theme. So at the first you have to click the power key. Right now you have to go for the settings, find always on display, scroll down, go for the always on display here, and then you can pick your theme. As you can see here we can find a couple of them. I think this one looks really cool, so I'm going to apply. Here we can change the text location. Text, we can change the text size also, text weight. We can change here a lot of things, but I'm going to leave it like that. Click apply, and then just take a look how it looks right now. There it is. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.